Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Savants Tech Talk. It's Matt here.
Welcome to the episode number 2 of the series. This is Will here. I hope everyone is doing great and staying safe.
Now, in the last video, we discussed Python and what it is and why it is so popular. In this video, we're going to discuss the top 5 Python libraries to use for data science.
The reason why we discuss this is because it is the biggest use case for Python in the industry. And let's get to it. First we have on the list is TensorFlow. It should be no surprise that TensorFlow is on the list. It is heavily used in machine learning.
So what exactly is TensorFlow?
TensorFlow is developed by Google Brain team. Google uses it in a lot of its own development projects. It works like a computational library for writing out new algorithms that involve a large number of tensor operations, which, for instance, can be used to implement neural networks. Tensor is a partially defined computational object that will eventually produce a value. If you don't know what tensor is, you can also click on the link below. We'll post it in the description. Nowadays, with distributed computing, you can easily write programs that execute the process in parallel to process a large volume of data set so that you can train the model in a short period of time.
So now that we know what TensorFlow is, what use cases would TensorFlow be most suited for?
Well, it can be used for speech recognition and image recognition, as well as time series analysis. Those are some of the common use cases for TensorFlow.
So next on the list we have is NumPy. So why is NumPy so important?
Because NumPy is considered as the fundamental building block for Python data science technical stack. It's famously known for its n-dimensional array objects. It's used as a fundamental package for numerical computation in Python. Even TensorFlow uses NumPy to perform operations in tensors. It is compact, and it offers fast computations with vectorization. And it also has tremendous amount of support from the GitHub community.
So what use cases does NumPy have?
You can use it to express data, like for instance, image and sound data in array form. And since we've talked about NumPy, the next on the list is also very related to NumPy. It's SciPy. So SciPy is used in data science for high-level computation, and it offers high-level commands for data manipulation as well as visualization. It is developed using NumPy. As we mentioned earlier, it is related to NumPy. It is built on top of NumPy, and its array utilizes NumPy. It has a lot of powerful numerical routines, such as optimization, numerical integration.
So what type of use cases might you need to use SciPy for high-level computations?
A lot of your university math courses problems can be solved using SciPy. For instance, linear algebra and the integration in calculus, as well as signal processing.
So next we have Pandas. Pandas derived from the term panel data, and it is an econometrics term for multidimensional structured data sets.
Panda is famously known within the data science community. The library works well with both structured and unstructured data sets. You can easily use it to perform data manipulation. And it has a lot of powerful supporting features like reindexing, iteration, sorting, aggregation, concatenation. And it also offers 3 types of data structures that is very powerful. You can use it to process, again, a lot of structured and unstructured data sets. First type is series. It is a single dimensional homogeneous array of data that is of the same type. And then there's data frame, which is a 2-dimensional data structure with heterogeneous typed column, meaning that you can have different type of columns. And third is panel, which is a 3-dimensional size mutatable array. So the primary use case for Pandas is ETL, which stands for extract, transform, and load. Basically, data cleaning and processing a large data set, making sure it is ready to be used for analytics prior to the analytics process. And it is commonly used by a lot of data engineers.
Last but not least, we have Matplotlib.
Wow, that's quite a name to say, eh? Matt, get it? Matt, Plotlib.
Ja.
Ha 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 ha. Okay, it's a plotting library that allows you to have powerful and beautiful visualizations. It has, at the time of recording, it has a community of over 900 contributors on GitHub, which is huge for a data science related library. It is mainly used for data visualization, and it also provides object-oriented API, so you can embed the plot into your apps. Many developers may even consider this as a free and open source version of MATLAB. And it supports a large variety of backends and output types, which means you can use it in almost any operating system. Doesn't matter your Windows or Linux or Mac fan.
So when is it best to use Matplotlib?
It is best to use when you need to do a lot of data visualization and plotting to illustrate the results of your analysis.
So there you have it. Those are the top 5 Python libraries to use for data science. If you feel like you've learned something useful, please feel free to give the video a like. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and give us a follow.
Once again, this is our top 5 favorite Python packages when it comes down to data science. We understand that there's tons of libraries out there that are useful and powerful. If you feel like you have a different opinion in terms of your top 5 list, don't forget to leave it in the comment below. My name is Will.
And I'm Matt.
We'll see you next time. Pow!